So tari gi ngai vlogs unchi be watching. So ngai game ro namsam humble shizanta du te khonjika ro that tari gi vlog na de GNH concept ta Bhutan lo da ro dugel shiba the GNH concept which we have in Bhutan that is being brought forward by our fourth king, our benevolent fourth king. So fourth king has passed down to our current king. And we the people here in Bhutan are following GNH concept everywhere, be it during our work time, be it with our peers, friends, family members. But we do feel that GNH concept working so well in our country. So do our guests. So with the guests also, we feel that what they take back is a GNH concept, the peace, calm, tranquility of the people here. So on the binidi tariki ngai game chika sachi GNH concept pole sachi titani. So those are the beautiful guests from India.
Hello.
Madam, could you introduce yourself?
My name is Suhasini. I came from Mumbai.
Okay. How about you, sister?
I am Sayukta and I'm from Mumbai.
Okay. How
I'm
about you?
Sanvi.
And we are for handsome sir.
I'm Sachin from Mumbai.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, we'll continue our trail.
Yes.
So on the meet, I'll be asking today. So main concept that we'll be talking today is regarding the GNH concept.
Yeah.
So which I was talking you in the first day of our
Correct.
tour.
Yes, yes.
So I really want to ask, though we say GNH concept here in Bhutan, it is said that it is being brought forward by the fourth king and it's being passed down to the current king, and we the people, we are trying our level best to follow that one. So after reaching here in Bhutan, so what do you feel about the GNH concept? Is it really applied to the people here as well as the guests who are coming here? Are you feeling the GNH vibe here in the country, or it's just the theoretical? Can you say something for them?
Oh, I think first thing is, let me tell you, before coming to Bhutan, I was not aware about this gross national happiness, which is GNH.
Yes, sir.
You're talking about. Most of the people don't understand gross national happiness, and I'm really was thinking about that, how it has been managed. But when I decided to come to Bhutan, it was clearly to see the scenic and nature, and especially carbon capture and less carbon emission in this country, right?
Yes,
That
sir.
was my perception. But when I landed and you explained me about the gross national happiness and the way it has been acquired and implementing in this country is amazing. I mean, people trust me. I mean, very few people understand how the Bhutan is controlled and they are managing at the minimum. I mean, the smallest to smallest thing they are controlling, and that's the best part, right? It's not
Yes,
about
sir.
the monitoring, but conviction in the people, smallest people to richest people. Fourth king's contribution, which you shared me,
Yes, sir.
it's amazing, right? 70 years now, he's 70 years, and he given to his son, and his son is again moving in right directions, implementing in a very good manner. I think Bhutan is going in right directions, and now it is visible on the global chart. Very
Yes, sir.
soon Bhutan will be in best country for sure. I mean, this is one of the best country I ever visited so far.
So how many countries you have visited till now, sir?
So we just cut the cake. This is the 26th country
Wow, very nice.
so far, and I see this neighboring country, India, is just honestly 4.5 hours drive for its border from Bhutan, and it's really so long. I have not been in Bhutan. It was my disappointment, but finally we made it, and for sure in future I will make more and more visits to have good see the environment, have a good breathe, oxygen's level, and definitely you feel very fresh
Yes.
in this country. There is no skyscraper. One of the best thing is there is no skyscraper, right?
Okay, sir.
Only mountains you can see. First thing. Second thing, spirituality is 100% followed. And when I went to your Buddha's place, what do you call is?
Buddha Dordima statue.
Just sit in front of Buddha. I mean, it's completely calmness, and it's a peace. You find a peace
Yes, sir.
in the monastery and wherever we go. So yeah, I mean, right from beginning, this is I think 4th day for us, James. Hats off the way you just taken us to from the day one, and you given us the knowledge about Bhutan. Is one of the things which I really want to make sure here is you protecting not only nature, but you are unified the country at the thinking process. Each people thinks in the same way, and that's a rare thing you will find in any other place in the world. So what do you think about you should follow this? Everyone will follow this.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Like the structure of the house has to be maintained. So this is one of the part of the GNH initiative.
Yes, sir. That's
Right.
true.
So that there is so many initiative we discussed, right? So I mean, what else you need? I mean, country 8 lakhs people, it's possible, and Bhutan is the. I mean, I would like to study more about Bhutan, how they achieved. It's like same Singapore,
Yeah, sir. That's true.
Japan after Hiroshima, Nagasaki, they came because of the discipline.
Yes, sir.
And the best part, you said it, the lead by example. You are current king living in the very not a luxurious
Yes, sir.
but the minimum, and he just lead by example that I'm a part of your I'm a part of this people, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is shows that how the king is taking care of your guys, and that's
A
beautiful.
lot, sir.
Yeah.
And madam?
Yeah,
So-
that's it. He said it all. So I think he covered most of the points. I mean, it's the same. Thank you so much.
So one thing I also want to ask you a few questions, ma'am.
Yeah.
So what things you like about Bhutan, firstly, and things you don't like about Bhutan?
Like about Bhutan is the food and the attire people wear. It's very beautiful. All right. And not like about Bhutan, there's nothing to say. Zero.
Oh, okay.
Everything is beautiful in Bhutan.
Thank you
Beautiful.
so much, ma'am.
It's a good stay over here. Thank you.
So, as gentleman here, sir, said right, many good things about Bhutan. So when sir was saying so much things, like felt totally blessed. The first day itself, I felt a very deep respect for you guys, sir. A very
Thank you,
humble
appreciate.
family. And
No, and same here, James. To be honest, I mean the way you are taking us is a part of our family. We see,
Yeah, sir.
not only you but the bro who's taking us
Kincho.
safely,
Yeah.
Kinchu, safely driving us in this difficult road,
yes,
right?
sir.
And it's you guys, right, to make us happy, make us comfortable in this Bhutan countries. Honestly, it's one of the great experience, and everyone, even from India, whenever I share this video or you will share this video,
Yes, sir.
everyone should come to Bhutan at least once in life to see. This is a completely altogether different planet. I mean, you see the place on the planet.
Yes, sir.
It's only greenery. Yesterday I was telling my wife that after going back to Mumbai,
Yeah.
you can find my eyes color is green, right? Because what you see, you adapt that in
Yeah,
your body,
yeah,
nature,
that's
right?
true.
I mean, you see now. I mean, you only can see the greenery here.
Yeah, sir.
And
true.
for a Mumbaikar, and our life is very fast, right? We are busy, we are stressed. So coming down to Bhutan is blessings. To be honest, we blessed that we have the place like Bhutan next to 5 hours drive.
Yes,
It's
sir,
very
that's
easy.
true.
What else you need? By communications and by how they travel, right? still I need to see lot of things in Bhutan. It's a 7 days, 6 days is very short.
Yeah,
Right.
that's true.
But whatever I see is completely flip side what people are saying outside. I mean, what they are saying is Bhutan is beautiful, but beyond that I can say is GNH initiatives. This country is having GNH initiative is one of the best, and every country should follow, or at least to see how they are managing their resources. They are protecting their resources. So honestly, I mean, this is one of the greatest experiences. And thanks, James, for having that experience.
Okay, sir.
We are lucky to have you on our journey, on this journey.
For me also, I feel the same privilege, sir, to have you guys, because due to our previous connection, from the first day itself, I was telling to our transporter also, like, we guys are very lucky to have met with very humble family from India. We tend to meet with the good people only, because what I felt like with my entire tour is, if you have a good intention in your mind every time wherever we go, the thing is like God is like paving our way to a very good people only. That's what I felt till now.
I agree. I mean, and to be honest, you are a good person. You are focusing on your profession. That is a good part. You're realizing, and I see your dreams to go further. And we, from our family, wish you luck. And I'm confident that you will achieve highest level of your dream.
Thank you so much,
You
sir.
have that potential. You have that kind of man. Clear thoughts process. So again, wish you luck in your anything. If I can be your help anytime, I'm always there.
So that is one of the most wonderful words, sir. It's like I'm so much privileged to hear such kind of like humble words from you, sir.
Anytime.
Anytime.
James.
Thank you so much, sir.